at the cinema.
Hello. I would like to buy tickets, please.
Hello? Sure. Which movie would you like to see?
The new action movie. What time does it start?
It starts at 7:30 p.m. tonight.
Great. How much is one ticket?
One ticket is $12.
Okay, I need 2 tickets, please.
2 tickets for the 7:30 show. Got it. Which cinema hall do you want?
Which hall is the movie playing in?
It will start in Hall 3.
Perfect. Can I choose my seats?
Yes, you can. Do you want front, middle, or back seats?
Middle seats, please.
Done. That will be $24 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here are your tickets.
Thank you very much. Is the snack bar open now?
Yes, it's open. You can buy popcorn or drinks before the movie.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the movie.
I will. Have a nice evening.
You too. First day at work.
Hi. Good morning. My name is Mark. I'm the new employee here.
Good morning, Mark. Nice to meet you. I'm Anna. Welcome to the team.
Thank you, Anna. I'm happy to be here. This is my first day, and I have many questions.
That's okay. Feel free to ask me anything. I'm happy to help.
Great. First, what time do we start work every day?
We start work at 9 o'clock in the morning.
And what time do we finish?
We finish at 5 in the afternoon.
Okay. Do we have a break during the day?
Yes, we do. We have a lunch break at 1 o'clock.
How long is the lunch break?
It is 1 hour.
That sounds good. Where do people usually eat lunch?
Some people eat in the office kitchen and others go to nearby restaurants.
I see. Can I use the office kitchen?
Yes, of course. You can use it anytime.
Thank you. Another question. What should I do when I arrive at work?
When you arrive, turn on your computer and check your emails.
Okay. Who is my manager?
Your manager is Mr. Smith. His office is next to the meeting room.
Good to know. What should I do if I have a problem?
You can talk to me or you can talk to Mr. Smith.
That's helpful. Do we have meetings every day?
No, not every day. We usually have meetings on Monday and Wednesday.
What time are the meetings?
They are at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Do I need to prepare anything for the meetings?
Yes. Please read your tasks and bring a notebook.
Okay. How do I know my daily tasks?
You will get your tasks by email every morning.
That's clear. Is there a dress code in the office?
Yes, but it is simple. Please wear clean and comfortable clothes.
Good. One last question. Can I ask for help anytime?
Yes, Mark, don't worry. Everyone here is friendly.
Thank you, Anna. You are very kind.
You're welcome. I'm glad to help. Good luck on your first day. What's for lunch? Good morning, my love.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. You look tired.
Yes, I had a long day at work yesterday.
I understand. So what do you want to eat today?
I'm not sure. What do we have at home?
We have chicken, rice, vegetables, and pasta.
That sounds good. How about chicken and rice?
Okay, but do you want it grilled or fried?
Grilled, please. I want something light.
Good choice. Do you want vegetables with it?
Yes, I like vegetables.
maybe salad too.
Sure, I can make a fresh salad.
That will be great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want soup before the meal?
Yes, a small bowl of soup is fine.
Okay. And what about dinner?
For dinner, I want something easy.
How about pasta?
Pasta is perfect. Can you make it with cheese?
Of course. Cheese pasta is easy and fast.
Sounds delicious.
Do you want juice or water with lunch?
Juice, please. Orange juice if we have it.
Yes, we have orange juice.
Great. I really like your cooking.
Thank you. I'm happy when you enjoy the food.
I always do. Can I help you in the kitchen?
Yes, please. You can wash the vegetables.
No problem. Let's cook together.
That's nice. Cooking together is fun.
Yes, and the food tastes better too.
Asking the way. Excuse me, sir. Can you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'm looking for the post office. Can you tell me where it is?
The post office. Yes, I know it.
Is it far from here? I don't want to get lost.
Yes, it's a bit far from here.
Oh, really? How far is it?
About 15 minutes by bus or 7 minutes by taxi.
I see. Can I walk there?
I wouldn't recommend walking. It's a little too far. You should take a bus or a taxi.
Okay. Which bus should I take?
Take bus number 12. It goes directly to the post office.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is just across the street, near the coffee shop.
All right. So I go across the street and wait there. How often does the bus come?
Every 10 minutes, so you won't wait long.
That's good. And how about the taxi?
The taxi is faster. It will take about 7 minutes. You can take a taxi if you are in a hurry.
I think I will take the bus today. I want to save some money.
That's a good idea.
After I get off the bus, how can I find the post office?
When you get off, you will see a small bank building. The post office is right next to it.
Oh, perfect. That's easy to remember. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck and have a safe trip to the post office.
In the elevator. Oh, good. I caught it in time. Go ahead. The elevator is still open.
No, please, you go first. I can take the next one.
No, it's okay. Come in.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
Which floor are you going to?
I'm going to the 6th floor. And you?
The 7th floor.
Oh, that's close.
Yes, not a long ride.
Are you new to this building?
No, I've lived here for about 5 years. How about you?
I'm new. I moved here 2 months ago.
Welcome. It's a quiet building, and the people are friendly.
I can feel that. I like the atmosphere here.
Do you work near here?
Yes, my office is about 10 minutes away.
That's great. It saves time.
Exactly. That's very important for me.
Do you like living in the city?
Yes, but I also enjoy quiet places like this.
Me too. It's nice to come home and relax.
I agree.
This is the 6th floor.
Yes. Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Simple chat. Hi. Excuse me. Is this the milk on sale? Hi. Yes, it is. The price is good today. Great. I buy milk every week. Me too. This supermarket is nice and clean. Yes, I like shopping here. Same here. Do you live near this place? Yes, I live close. I come here often. That's nice. I see you here many times. What are you buying today? Fruits, vegetables, and some bread. Healthy choice. I try to eat healthy too. It is not easy, but we try. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. There's a small cafe next to the supermarket. Really? That sounds good. After shopping, do you want to sit and talk? Yes, I would like that. Great. Let's meet at the cashier. Perfect. See you there. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Mom's call.
Hello, Sarah. How are you, my dear? Hi, Mom. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm good. I just wanted to check on you. How is your home?
Everything is okay. The house is clean and calm today.
That's nice to hear. And how is your husband? He is good. He is at work now and very busy. I'm glad he is doing well. What about the children? They are fine. They went to school in the morning and now they are doing their homework. That makes me happy. Are you tired? A little, but it's normal. I manage my time. You are a strong woman. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. Your words mean a lot to me.
I also have some news. Your aunt will come from America next week.
Really? That's great news.
Yes, she wants to visit you and see the children.
I'm very happy to hear that. The kids will love to see her.
Please prepare yourself. She is very excited.
Of course, Mom. Thank you for telling me.
Take care of yourself, my dear.
I will. Love you, Mom.
Love you too. Goodbye.
Asking the teacher. Good morning, Dr. Brown. May I ask you a few questions?
Good morning, Emma. Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I want to ask about the final exam. When is the exam date?
The final exam is on June 15th in the morning.
Thank you. What time will it start?
It will start at 10 a.m. and finish at 12 p.m.
That's clear. I also want to ask about the research paper.
Sure. What do you want to know?
What is the last date to submit the research?
The last date is June 5th. Please submit it online.
Okay, I will do that. I also want to ask about the passing grade.
You need 50% to pass the course.
I see. Is attendance important in this course?
Yes, attendance is very important.
How many classes should I attend this term?
You should attend at least 75% of the lectures.
What happens if I miss many classes?
You may not be allowed to take the final exam.
I understand. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome, Emma. Study well and good luck.
Thank you very much, Doctor. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Can I carry these?
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay? You look a bit tired.
Oh, hello, dear. Yes, I am tired. These bags are very heavy.
I can see that. Where are you going?
I am going to the bus station. It is not very far, but for me, it feels far.
Don't worry. I can help you carry the bags.
Oh, that is very kind of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please give me the big bag.
Be careful, dear. It has groceries inside.
It's okay. I'm strong enough. Are you traveling today?
Yes, I am going to visit my sister. She lives in the next town.
That sounds nice. How often do you visit her?
Not very often. I don't travel much now. I get tired easily.
I understand. The bus station is just around the corner.
That's good to hear. My legs hurt a little.
Take your time. We are not in a hurry.
You are very polite. Young people today are usually busy.
I try to help when I can. My grandmother is about your age.
That's lovely. She must be proud of you.
Thank you. Here we are. This is the bus station.
Oh, finally. I couldn't do this alone.
Let me put the bags here on the bench.
Thank you, Alex. You made my day much easier.
I'm happy to help. Have a safe trip.
Thank you, dear. I wish you a wonderful day.
You too, Mrs. Green. Take care.
Meeting the new neighbor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry to disturb you. I'm your new neighbor. I just moved into the apartment next to yours.
Oh, welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name is Adam.
I'm Lena.
I wanted to say hello. Everything here is new for me.
I understand. Moving to a new place is not easy.
Yes, that's true. Do you live in this area for a long time?
Yes, I live here for 3 years now.
Oh, that's great. So you know the area very well.
Yes, I do. It's a nice and quiet place.
I like it so far. Everyone seems friendly.
Yes, the neighbors are kind here. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Where did you live before you came here?
I lived in another city. It was very busy and noisy.
I see. And why did you move here?
I wanted a calm place. I also got a new job near this area.
That sounds good. Do you work every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday. Sometimes I work from home.
I work in an office too. I usually leave home early.
Me too. Mornings are always busy.
If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
I'm happy to have a nice neighbor like you.
Me too. Welcome again to the building.
Thank you, Lena. See you later.
See you. Have a nice day.